I just kind of want to wrap up rivers that we were talking about last time, just kind of tie it into the My Place stuff, and kind of give you just another kind of quick look at some things. And then we're going to talk about groundwater and kind of the other big end of the hydro cycle. Okay. Nice early morning up there. Okay, if you remember, we're up here in Georgian Bay, which is kind of the eastern half of Lake Huron. And when you look at the map, you can see that there are a couple of different parts. So if you look at the map up in here, there's a lot of water, a lot of lakes, a lot of rivers. But if you look at the map down in here, entirely different. So what's going on here? And if you remember, when we looked at this from a tectonic standpoint, the Michigan Basin down here was exactly that. It was a big basin-shaped structure filled with layers of rock. So we ended up with kind of this circular pattern where the rock came to the surface. When we got back up in here, and there's our location, we were back up in the Precambrian Canadian Shield. No basin, no circular rocks. What we were seeing up there was basement rocks scraped clean right down to the Precambrian. In most of the area, the rock dates to about 1.5 billion years. So it's even taken some of the Precambrian out. And we see here, instead of a circular pattern due to the basin shape, what we see is a fracture pattern with fractures opening in what we call a conjugate pattern, kind of right angles to each other. And we saw that when we looked at the island, we could see all these places where things just kind of lined up, and flat areas. We saw cliff sections that just lined up nicely along the fracture. So this pattern really kind of shone through regardless